Good day and welcome to our very exciting feature called Remembering User Input. Has it ever happened to you that you're adding or editing an item in PPO? You need to step away, and when you come back and click on Submit, you realize you've lost your session. Previously, you'd have to re-enter that information, where now we're saving you on time by remembering that data that you haven't submitted. We remember that data for a total of 24 hours, and if you click on Cancel, then we clear that unsubmitted data. Another example is, let's say you were editing your project and adjusting your objectives and deliverables. You then stepped away and lost your session, so when you clicked on Submit, you'll be taken to the login page. When clicking on Login, you'll note that PPO remembers that change to the objectives and deliverables. So we really hope you guys love this feature and it helps save on time. Have a great day further.